Hi everyone, welcome to Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Trust Wallet application on your iPhone. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. In order to download Trust Wallet application on your iPhone, first check if you are connected to a Wi-Fi or cellular data. If you are, simply go to your App Store and tap it open. In the search box that appears at the top of the screen, search for Trust Wallet by typing it in with the help of your keyboard. Make a search, and in the search result, you should see an application that says Trust, Crypto and Bitcoin Wallet. If you tap on the application, you'll be able to see further information about the app. All of the information that you will be needing will be displayed on this page. To quickly download the application, tap on the download button right next to the application or beneath the application and give it a tap. Wait until your application gets downloaded on your iPhone. It might take a while depending upon your internet speed. Until it finishes with the downloading process, let me tell you what Trust Wallet is. Trust Wallet is the official crypto wallet of Binance. You can send and receive, store Bitcoin and many other cryptocurrencies including NFTs, safe and secure. The application acts as a bridge that connects to individual blockchains via their nodes. It is free to download and does not earn anything when you use it. Fees are all paid to the miners or validators. Once the application gets downloaded on your iPhone, you'll be able to see the open button popping up. If you tap on open, you'll be able to launch the application right away. To find the application for future use, you'll be able to locate it on your app drawer. That is how you can easily download Trust Wallet application on your iPhone with a few simple taps. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.